Welcome to my channel. Today we discussed about the linear higher order differential equation with constant coefficients of the form f of d into y is equal to sin ax or cos ax. For this type of problems also solution is y is equal to cf plus pa. Here CF is similar lines, you have to proceed as previous one. Okay. Next, coming to the main part of the today's problem is how to find the type 2 PI. Okay, that means if Q is sin AX or cos AX, how to find the PI value? PI is equal to sin AX or cos AX by f of d. Here you can see what is the coefficient of x? A. First we have to identify a value. Next we have to calculate a square value. Put d square is equal to minus a square in f of d. That means in denominator. If f of minus a square is not equal to 0, then PA is equal to sin AX or cos AX whole divided by either you have sin AX, then PA is equal to sin AX by f of minus a square. If you have cos AX by f of minus a square, that is the PA value. Next you can go for the zero case, that means failure case. F of minus a square is equal to 0, then rule is if sin AX is there, sin AX when it becomes 0 denominator, if we have d square plus a square, then you can substitute d square is equal to minus a square, you get the denominator 0. Therefore, in this type of problems, solution is minus x by 2a into cos AX is PA. Otherwise, if cos AX is there, then denominator is d square plus a square. Here also you can substitute d square is equal to minus a square. You get 0 in denominator, therefore it is not defined. Then you can apply the rule. What is the rule for cos AX by d square plus a square form? X by 2a into sin AX. This is the rule for the sin AX or cos AX if f of minus a square equal to 0. Then finally solution is y is equal to, first you can find the CF value as usual method. Next PA is the solution. Okay, this is the process of finding the complementary function and particular integral for f of d into y is equal to sin AX or cos AX type. Okay, coming to the example, here you can see first problem is solve d square plus 4 into y is equal to cos x. Here you can see as usual you can write the given equation. It is in operator form. Then first write the given equation. What is given equation? D square plus 4 into y is equal to cos x. Then write the first auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. That means m square plus 4 equal to 0. That you have to know. Put d square equal to m, we get the auxiliary equation. Is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 because it is in quadratic form. A is equal to 1, m term is not there, therefore b is equal to 0, c is equal to 4. The roots for the quadratic form is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Therefore, roots m is equal to minus 0 plus or minus root of 0 square minus 4 into a into c whole divided by 2 into 1. Therefore, m is equal to simply minus 0 is 0 plus or minus root of minus 16 by 2, that is equal to plus or minus 4i, plus or minus 4i by 2, because root 16 is plus or minus 4, root minus I is root minus 1 is plus or minus I. Therefore, root 16 is plus or minus 4, therefore both are plus or minus I. After getting cancel, you get plus or minus 2i. It is in the form of a plus or minus ib. The roots are complex. The roots are complex. Okay. Therefore, CF is equal to e to the power of 0x plus c1 cos e to the power of ax c1 cos bx plus or minus c2 sin bx, where a is 0. Therefore, e power 0x into c1 cos 2x plus or minus c2 sin 2x is the complementary function. Coming to the particular integral, what is RHS side? RHS side we have RHS is cos x, therefore cos x by f of d. What is f of d? Cos x by d square plus 4. What is the coefficient of x? A. That is a is equal to 1. A square is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Put d square value. Put d square is equal to minus a square, that is equal to minus 1 in f of d. In f of d. Here we have d square value. Therefore, cos x by minus 1 plus 4. Cos x by 3, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, solution y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Therefore, y is equal to c1 cos 2x plus or minus c2 sin 2x plus cos x by 3. The problem is over. It is non-zero case. Coming to the next problem, we can consider solve second problem. Solve d square plus 9 into y is equal to cos 2x plus sin 3x. It is second problem. Here you can see solution is first write the auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? M square plus 9 equal to 0. It is in quadratic form. Is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to m square coefficient 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 9. For the quadratic equation, roots x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Therefore, roots m is equal to minus 0 plus or minus root of 0 square minus 4 into a into c whole divided by 2 into 1. Simply it is m is equal to root minus 36 by 2, that is equal to plus or minus 6i by 2, that is equal to 3i plus or minus 3i. It is in the form of a plus or minus ib, where real part is 0, imaginary part is 3. The roots are complex. The roots are complex. Therefore, CF is equal to C1 e to the power of Gax into C1 cos Bx plus or minus C2 sin Bx, where A is 0, B is C, 3. Therefore, e to the power of 0x into C1 cos 3x plus or minus C2 sin 3x is the complementary function value. Next, coming to the PA is equal to, here in the right side we have cos 2x is the first one plus sin 3x is the second term by f of d. It can be written as cos 2x by f of d is the PA1, sin 3x by f of d is the PA2. First, you can write it as PA1 plus PA2. First one is PA1. What is PA1? Cos 2x by d square plus 9. Here what is the x coefficient? A is equal to cos ax, a is equal to 2, a square is equal to 2 square, that is 4. Put d square is equal to minus a square, that means minus 4 in f of d. What is f of d? D square plus 9. Therefore, cos 2x by minus 4 plus 9, it is cos 2x by 5. It is non-zero case. Next, therefore, PI1 is completed. PI2 is equal to, what is PI2? Sin 3x by d square plus 9. Here what is x coefficient? 3. A is equal to 3. A square is equal to 3 square, that is equal to 9. Put d square is equal to minus a square, that means minus 9 in f of d. In f of d, what we get? Sin 3x by minus 9 plus 9, simply it is sin 3x by 0 is not defined. For this type of problems, it is zero case. That means you can write the formula. If f of minus 9 is equal to what? 0, then rule is if sin ax is there by d square plus a square, for this one p is equal to minus x by 2a into cos ax. Here the PI2 value is like this: sin 3x by d square plus 3 square, 9 is 3 square. Therefore, what is the rule? Minus x by 2a into cos ax. Here a is equal to what? 3, x coefficient 3 is there. Therefore, d square plus a square is d square plus 9. Therefore, minus x by 2 into 3 minus x by 2a into cos 3x, cos ax. Therefore, it is simply minus x by 6 into cos 3x is PI2. Therefore, solution is complementary function plus y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. What is complementary function? Y is equal to c1 cos 3x plus or minus c2 sin 3x plus PI1 is cos 2x by 5 plus minus x by 6 into cos 3x. Okay, PI1 is cos 2x by 5 by plus minus x by 6 into cos 3x. Next solution. Next problem is third problem. Solve d square plus 16 into y is equal to e to the power of minus 3x plus cos 4x. Next solution is, first you can check whether it is in operator form or not. Therefore, it is in operator form. Then you can write the auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? F of m equal to 0. That means put d is equal to m in f of d. M square plus 16 equal to 0. It is in quadratic form. E is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 16. Roots for the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Therefore, roots for the given equation m is equal to, in the place of x you can write m, because it is in m form. Therefore, 0 minus 0 plus or minus root of 0 square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into 1. Therefore, m is equal to root of minus 64 by 2, because it is in the form of 4 into 16 is 64. Root of minus 1 is equal to plus or minus I. Root 64 is equal to 8 plus or minus 8. Therefore, it can be written as plus or minus 8i by 2. By cancelling, we get 4i plus or minus 4i. It is in the form of a plus or minus ib. where a is equal to real part is not there, 0, b is equal to 4. Therefore, the roots are complex. Next, CF is equal to e to the power of ax into c1 cos bx plus or minus c2 sin bx, where a is equal to 0, b is equal to 4. CF is equal to e to the power of 0x into c1 cos 4x plus or minus c2 sin 4x is complementary function. Next, coming to the particular integral. For particular integral, what is pi? Pi is equal to, there are two terms is there, e to the power of minus 3x plus cos 4x by f of d, that is equal to e to the power of minus 3x by f of d is the first pi. Next pi is cos 4x by f of d is the second pi. It can be written as pi1 plus pi2. Therefore, pi1 is equal to e to the power of minus 3x by d square plus 16. What is the rule for e to the power of ax? If e to the power of ax is there, you can see it is in the form put d is equal to a. That means e power ax by f of a. Therefore, here put d is equal to minus 3x coefficient in f of d. It is e power ax rule, type 1 pi. Okay. E to the power of minus 3x by minus 3 whole square plus 16. What is minus 3 whole square? E power minus 3x by 9 plus 16 e to the power of minus 3x by 25 is pi1. Next, pi2 is equal to cos 4x by d square plus 16. Here a is equal to 4, a square is equal to 16. Put d square is equal to minus a square, that means minus 16. That you have to carefully write in f of d. That is sin cos ax rule. That is equal to cos 4x by minus 16 plus 16. What it is? 0. Therefore, e is not defined. For 0 case, if f of minus 16 equal to 0, then rule is, what is rule? Cos ax by d square plus a square is there, then x by 2a into sin ax is the rule for the 0 case. Therefore, pi2 directly you can write, it is in the form of cos 4x by d square plus 4 square. Therefore, x by 2 into 4 into sin 4x is the pi2. Solution is, y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Therefore, y is equal to c1 cos 4x plus or minus c2 sin 4x. Next, plus e power minus 3x by 25 plus x by 8, 4 into 2 is 8 into sin 4x is solution for the present problem. Next, you can consider the next problem is solve. Fourth problem is solve. Next, d square plus 4 into y, d square plus 4 into y is equal to e power x plus sin 2x plus cos 3x. Here you can see solution is first it is in operator form by the auxiliary equation, that is f of m equal to 0, that implies m square plus 4 equal to 0 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 4. Roots for the quadratic is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Therefore, roots m is equal to 0 plus or minus root of 0 minus 4 into a into c whole divided by 2 into 1. Therefore m is equal to plus or minus root minus 16 by 2, that is equal to plus or minus 4i by 2 equal to plus or minus 2i. Simply it is in the form of a plus or minus ib. Real part is 0, imaginary part is 2. The roots are complex. Therefore solution, complementary function is equal to e to the power of 0x into c1 cos bx plus or minus c2 sin bx. Next, therefore cf is equal to e to the power of 0x into c1 cos 2x plus or minus c2 sin 2x. It is complementary function. Next, coming to the PI is equal to e power x plus sin 2x plus cos 3x whole divided by f of d. Here you can see in this method, first one is type 1 method, second 2 and the third are type 2. Okay, you can write e power x by d square plus 4 plus sin 2x by d square plus 4 plus cos 3x by d square plus 4. Here you can write d is equal to 1 because x coefficient e power rule is put d is equal to straight away coefficient of x. Next, sin rule is here you can write a is equal to 2, a square is equal to 4, put d square is equal to minus a square, that is equal to minus 4. Here also a is equal to 3, a square is equal to 9, put d square is equal to minus a square, that is equal to minus 9 for all in f of d. Therefore you can write e to the power of x by 1 plus 4, 1 square is 1 plus 4, plus for this one sin 2x by minus 4 plus 4, it is 0 case, plus for this one cos 3x by d square means minus 9 plus 4, it is non-zero case. Therefore this is over, e power x by 5 is over. For this one it is 0 case. If f of minus 4 is equal to 0, then sin ax by d square plus a square is equal to minus x by 2a into cos ax, where a is equal to 2 for particular case. Okay, minus x by 2 into cos 2x is the pi value for 0 case. Next, minus cos 3x by minus plus 5, you can write minus here. Okay, plus 5. This is the pi value for the present problem. Next, what is the solution? So you can write solution y is equal to cf plus pi. Therefore you can write the complete solution c1 cos 2x plus or minus c2 sin 2x plus e power x by 5 minus x by 4 into cos 2x minus cos 3x by 5 is the complete solution for the present problem. Next come to the problem. Here you can see fifth problem, solve d square minus 4d plus 5 into y is equal to cos 2x. Here you can see it is in already operator form. First directly you can write the auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? F of m equal to 0. That means m square minus 4m plus 5 is equal to 0 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 5. Roots m is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Next, roots x is equal to, for quadratic form it is, roots m is equal to, what is b value? Minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of b square is minus 4 whole square, 4 into a into c whole divided by 2 into 1. Therefore m is equal to 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 20 whole divided by 2 because 4 square is 16, 4 into 5 is 20. That is equal to 4 plus or minus root minus 4 by 2. That is equal to 4 plus or minus 2i by 2. By taking 2 common, 2 is common, 2 plus or minus I whole divided by 2. 2 cancel. 2 plus or minus I. It is in the form of a plus or minus ib. The roots are where a is equal to real part 2, b is equal to imaginary part 1. Therefore, the roots are complex that you have to mention. Complex. What is the complex complementary function? CF equal to e to the power of ax, that is real part, c1 cos bx plus or minus c2 sin bx. Therefore, CF is equal to e to the power of 2x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, because b value is 1. Coming to the PI, cos 2x by right side value is cos 2x, f of d. What is f of d? Cos 2x by d square minus 4d plus 5. Here you can see a is equal to 2, comma a square is equal to 4. Put d square is equal to minus 4 in f of d, that is minus a square in f of d. What we get? Cos 2x by minus 4d plus 5. Here you can remember, you can substitute the value for sin and cos only in d square, not in d and d power 3 like this. Okay, only you can substitute d square is equal to minus a square, that is the rule. That is equal to cos 2x by minus 4d plus 1. Therefore, it can be written as cos 2x by 1 minus 4d. Operate for this type of problems to get d square, operate with conjugate. What is conjugate? 1 plus 4d. Operate with 1 plus 4d for numerator and denominator. Therefore, 1 plus 4d into cos 2x by 1 plus 4d into 1 minus 4d. It is the rule for getting the d square value in denominator. Next, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4d. You can apply the formula for denominator. 1 plus 4d into cos 2x by 1 square minus 4d whole square. Then you can multiply with cos 2x, 1 plus 4d into cos 2x by 116, 4 into 4 is 16 d square. Here again you have a is equal to 2, a square is equal to 4. Put d square is equal to minus a square is equal to minus 4 in f of d. This one is f of d. Therefore, 1 plus 4d into cos 2x by 1 minus 16 into minus 4. Therefore, cos 2x plus 4 into d of cos 2x. It is the numerator value. Denominator 1 plus 64. D of cos 2x means d by dx of derivative of cos 2x. What is the derivative of cos 2x? C for negative, 2 sin 2x. Therefore, first one is as it is cos 2x minus 4 into 8 into cos 2x, because derivative of cos 2x is sin 2x. Therefore, 8 into sin 2x by 65 is pi. Therefore, solution y is equal to CF plus pi. What is CF? Y is equal to e to the power of 2x into c1 cos x plus or minus c2 sin x plus cos 2x minus 8 sin 2x by 64. It is the complementary function and particular integral for quadratic equation and sine or cos 2x model. Okay.